Looking for the best cordless bandsaw to make smooth and accurate cuts anywhere you work? You've come to the right place. We've done the research to bring you the top-performing cordless bandsaws of the year, considering power, cutting capacity, features, and real-life performance. Make sure to check the description for the latest deals and product links. And remember, this list is in no particular order, so watch till the end to find the perfect fit for your needs. Let's get started. Number 5. Wanemana 5-inch cordless bandsaw. The Wanemana 20V cordless bandsaw is an impressive budget-friendly choice that still delivers strong performance and versatility. With a cutting capacity of up to 5 inches, it outperforms many compact models in its class, making it suitable for woodworking, metal cutting, and general job site applications. The brushless motor delivers high torque and an optimal blade speed of 630 surface feet per minute, allowing for smooth, fast, and efficient cuts across multiple materials. One of the most appealing features of this saw is its ability to minimize sparks when cutting metal. The precision design keeps the blade cool, reducing the risk of fire hazards and creating burr-free, clean cuts. This makes it not only efficient, but also safer for indoor or sensitive environments where sparks could be a problem. The included blade measures 1,141 millimeters by 13 millimeters by 0.65 millimeters, providing sharp and precise results. The saw also comes with 6 adjustable speed settings, allowing users to fine-tune performance depending on the material. Number 4. Makita XBP04Z 18V LXT Brushless Cordless Bandsaw. The Makita XBP04Z 18V LXT Brushless Bandsaw is a compact yet powerful option built for professionals who need performance in confined spaces. It offers a cutting capacity of 2 5/8 by 2 5/8 inches, making it well-suited for a variety of materials, including metal piping, rods, and channels. Its compact build makes it ideal for one-handed use, overhead work, and tight environments where larger saws are impractical. This tool is powered by a brushless motor that provides variable blade speeds of up to 630 feet per minute. The inclusion of constant speed control is particularly valuable, as it automatically applies additional power when cutting through tougher materials. This ensures consistent blade performance without stalling or slowing down. Number 3. DeWalt DCS 378B 20V Max XR Bandsaw. The DeWalt 20V Max XR bandsaw is designed for professionals who need more cutting power and capacity. With a 3 3/8 inch cut capacity, it provides a significant advantage over smaller models, enabling users to handle a wider variety of materials, including thicker pipes, beams, and wood. This makes it versatile enough for demanding construction and commercial tasks. The brushless motor generates up to 535 maximum watts out at a blade speed of 570 surface feet per minute. This ensures consistent performance even during demanding applications. The integrated blade guard not only protects users from accidental contact, but also helps maintain the cleanliness of the saw, which increases both blade life and tool durability. Number 2. Makita XBP03Z 18V LXT Lithium-Ion Cordless Compact Bandsaw. The Makita XBP03Z 18V LXT Compact Bandsaw is an outstanding option for those who prioritize balance between cutting capacity and durability. With a 2 1/2 inch cutting capacity, it handles a wide range of applications such as cutting conduit, uni-strut, copper pipe, threaded rods, and angle iron. This makes it an excellent everyday tool for construction and mechanical jobs. The Makita-built motor delivers blade speeds of 630 feet per minute, giving you smooth and efficient cuts. This is especially valuable for professionals who need fast, repetitive cuts without sacrificing quality. The saw also features an aluminum blade housing, adding strength and durability while keeping the weight manageable. Number 1. DeWalt Atomic 20V Max Brushless Cordless Compact Bandsaw. The DeWalt Atomic 20V Max Brushless Compact Bandsaw takes the top spot because of its mix of portability, precision, and professional-grade durability. Designed with a compact build, it offers one-handed operation, making it especially useful for overhead and tight space applications where larger saws struggle. This is a huge advantage for electricians, plumbers, and contractors who need to cut pipes, conduits, or metal rods without being slowed down by a bulky tool. One of its most valuable features is the integrated guard, which not only enhances safety, but also makes overhead cutting far more controlled. The variable speed trigger combined with a speed dial gives you fine control over blade speed, allowing adjustments based on the type of material being cut. Whether you are dealing with softer metals or tougher steel, this flexibility means you always get clean, accurate results. The tool includes a blade release lever with an integrated wrench, which makes changing blades simple and efficient. A single-point tracking adjustment further ensures that the blade remains properly aligned, extending blade life and improving cut quality. The pivoting guard is secured with a sturdy metal latch, making it easy to open and close while still maintaining durability. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.